So this is the SPD dishwasher. Where I left off was I had to pull these handles off. Had to take these screws up here out. I think there's one right here, a couple right here, and that's it. Had to pull this off. Had to take these two wires out, which go right there. I didn't disconnect anything on this side at all. I just left it there. Like I said, it's entirely functional. I had to dismount that. Now back there, see that little rubber piece right there? Now when you take this off, you have to wiggle it and push it back, and it come right off. And right there's the motor, right there's the sensor. You can have access to all three bolts in the back. And when you're done, put everything back together. It is fully done. Part 2. Now, the thing doesn't fully come, I mean, it does come off, but there is a lot of stuff you got to take apart and disconnect, and you got to disconnect all of those wires, all of these wires, and I really don't feel like doing all that because I don't need to get to nothing like that. Only thing that I need to get to is the motor, which, if any of you know, the motor is in the middle of the goddamn machine. And the only thing that you need to get to besides that is this pump and that pump. That's it. That's really the only two of them. So, anyways, guys, this is part 2.